Fall and winter is around the corner, and it's time to get your pond ready for the season. Take the following steps to keep your fish healthy, your water clean and clear, and to keep it looking great. Before fall, ensure to prune the aquatic plants, remove debris from the pond, add cold water beneficial bacteria, clean and rinse the skimmer and biofalls, install your aerator and de-icer, and install leaf netting to keep additional debris out of the pond. Before the winter, remove and store the netting. Remove any remaining debris, and disconnect and store the pump if you're not operating the waterfall over winter. Complete a thorough cleaning of the pump prior to storage. If you'd like to keep your hands clean this fall, hire our team to perform your seasonal pond maintenance for you, starting at only $4.99 plus tax. Happy ponding!